Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Firiska Albahrain and I'm from 7.4 and my attendance list is 15. I wanna I wanna describe about transportation and maybe describe some of the example of some transportation too. So, transportation in general is the activity of transporting or moving something from one place to another. Transportation is usually useful for those of us who need to go somewhere, such as schools, hospitals, office, and other places. Not only that, transportation can also be used to transport goods. Transportation is divided into three, namely land transportation, sea transportation, and air transportation. Examples of land transportations are cars, bus, ambulance, trains, horse-drawn carriages, and others. Sea transportation is transportation that is used in the sea or it can be above sea level. For example, such as submarines, passenger ships, and others. Air transportation is a type of transportation that can fly in the air. Air transportation is a transportation that requires a lot of money to use it. Apart from having more advanced technology, air transportation is the fastest transportation compared to other transportations. Examples Examples of air transportations are rockets, helicopters, transport aircraft, civil passenger aircraft, and others. Cars include land transportation that use four wheels and use the engine for move. Cars is also an widely used transportation. Many people using cars as their private transportation. Cars include transportation that can be used as public transportation or private transportation. The car can carry 4 to 8 people in it, but it depends on the brand of the car. The requirements to drive a car is to have a the requirements to have a car is to have a driver's license. For sea transportation, such as submarines are usually used for military or research purpose. Submarines can also be used for underwater tourists. As the name suggests, a submarine is a ship that moves under the sea or dives under the sea. Humans can swim but not far because they need a lot of oxygen and need to hold their breaths for some hours. Therefore, submarines can be used to dive further and protect humans from pressure under the sea. The capacity of submarine can reach 40 crew, 40 crew depending on the country of origin. One example of air transportation is a passenger plane. Passenger aircraft is an airplane or aircraft used to transport passengers along with their baggage and cargo. Passenger aircraft are the responsible of air operators, maintenance organizations, airports, air, na- navigations, air navigation service providers, pilot license, and technicians. The passenger planes have 48 seats. Each first class passengers can carry a maximum of 60 kilograms of baggage, while in economy class a maximum of 20 kilograms. The aircraft can only carry a maximum of baggage. Airplanes are used to transport goods or passengers out of or cities, islands, or even countries. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.